Okay, finishing up these practice, hopefully you just took a second to do this. This is just a difference of squares in part A. So we're going to look at this. The square root would be m to the fourth minus 3n to the fifth, and m to the fourth plus 3n to the fifth. And you can always, if you get stuck, multiply back to check and make sure that you've done this correctly. And then your last terms, your last term would be a subtraction sign, would be minus 9n to the 10th. Your middle terms cancel, and you're just left with m to the 8th minus 9n to the 10th. So your answer is correct. Just a difference of squares. Okay, for this next one, we have a difference of cubes. So again, cube root the first term. The cube root of 27x to the 9th is 3x cubed. The cube root of 343 is 7 and y squared. Because 3x cubed times 3x cubed times 3x cubed gives me 27x to the 9th. And 7y squared times 7y squared times 7y squared gives me 343y to the 6th. And then again, square the first term, you get 9x to the 6th. Multiply them together, you get 21x cubed y squared. And then square the last term, and you get 49y to the 4th. And make sure both are plus signs, because that's what the formula tells us to do. Okay, so you're just cube rooting the first number, cube rooting the second number, squaring the first number, multiplying them together here, squaring the last number. All right, we'll take example C and we'll move it down here. 12 cubed plus 2 cubed is a sum of cubes, so we would have 12 plus 2. First term squared would be 144. Minus sign, multiply them together, we get 24, and then plus sign, square the last term. So in here we get 14, and then in here we get 144 minus 24 is 120 plus 4, should just be 124. And then you just multiply 124 times 14, and you get 1,736. So basically, you just need to make sure you understand those formulas and have that all kind of in your head, going back to the beginning, being very careful with all of these formulas, which is specifically what you are looking at today. Difference of squares, difference of cubes, sum of cubes, square of a sum. And the square of a sum, you can always just multiply everything out. So hopefully that is all good and that made things very clear. And I'll check in with you.